Guys, you need to win the match.
Big respect.
Guys, you need to win the
My
guys.
friend.
Come on,
Friend!
guys.
talaga.
Please. Last second.
Guys, let's get the snipe.
Ano na, friend? Friend?
My
Ha?
yes,
Yes, my sister.
Kumatos?
You,
Yes,
okay
sister.
na. Woo!
May victory lang pa.
Good game, guys.
Good. Ano? Kumusta, guys?
Good game, Eric.
Thank you.
See you in heaven.
Well, you won. Well played. Okay, like best of three.
Thank
You
you.
need to win the match.
Okay.
I'm following you guys.
Ito, ano na?
Do follow me back, Eric's.
Yes.
Follow me back.
Direct.
Follow me back.
T-Rex.
Okay.
Birix,
Best of-
later.
Follow back. Virat,
It's
my
best of
friend.
three. Okay, you won the match. Best of three. Okay.
Ano best of 3?
Virat, my friend.
You won the match. You
follow
won
back.
only one match. Let's get one more.
Tama na, ano na? Birek.
Yes.
The boat is sinking. Let us group into two. No,
Ano na,
No
Birek?
more.
One more.
I will take a bath later.
Mitsu.
I will
I'm
You take a
going
bath.
to heaven.
take a bath.
One more.
Okay.
No more.
Okay, thank you.
I can't do this anymore.
We sleep. We go
Okay.
outside and flying.
Yes.
Okay. Love you all.
The love
Thank you.
is on the air. Yes.
Thank you for big respect, my friend.
Ah,
A lot
Yes,
of
the respect
thanks.
is
Brother.
yes.
Oh.
You take care. You.
See you in heaven.
Okay, bye-bye. Paano ko kunin siya?
Brother. Baba ka na,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Ay, napapagod na ako. Masakit na yung lamunan ko. Brad, you go to heaven now.
Thank you.
Thank you. You
Go. I go.
Oh, you go now, brother. See you next time. You remove yourself. I don't know how to remove
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Okay. I go directly.
Thank you,
Thank you.
brother.
Okay, I go.
Bye-bye.
Marong send rin ako doon eh.
Nangalayok. Para sila nag-rap na, hindi ko naintindihan.
Hindi ko rin nga alam. You guys lang nga sa'yo. Ikaw nag-rap ka na dyan eh. Rap ko na. Maganda palang pangalan mo eh, Birex.
Birix nga ang pangalan ko sa kanila.
Sabi niya, Birex.
Birix ang pangalan. Shoutout po kay Sir Chong Gadgets. Ayan. Shoutout po sa inyo.